Hey guys, welcome back for another video in Minecraft. I'm going to teach you about how to make music in Minecraft. Yes, so first of all we need to place a block, any block except just solid blocks, okay? Now put buttons, then put 5 repeaters and set them all to like on the last bit, click them and then so they're far apart, so those 2 torch thingies are far apart. Then place 2 redstone, a repeater, don't touch it, put a note block, repeater, any redstone, and another note block if you want to add more music, or you want to do that boring 1 block only. So yeah, so you can change the volume as you can see. You probably can't hear it. Yeah, oh god, major lag, yeah. Okay, so we got music, makes noises. So the reason I put so many repeaters is because so that annoying button click sound will just go away, so our music will be clean. So I'm just testing out my music. You can try it out for yourself. Yeah, and you can change how it sounds like. You can put different materials like glass, sand, or you can just have the default anyway. So I like to put the material so I can know that that's the material instead of just digging on the ground. So it makes a different noise. It's pretty cool. I'm gonna make it more louder so it sounds louder, yeah. So bing bong. Yeah, that's pretty good. So if you want to add more music, you could just extend that, but that would be too long. So I'm going to just put 2 redstone, a couple repeaters. So yeah, and then we can put different materials, just pop them there, then put no blocks on them, then just put some repeaters, boop, boop. Then we can just make them more longer. The reason that we want to do that, so it won't be so fast, but you can make it fast if you want to. So, I'm currently making an airport, so it's not really that good quality. So yeah, I made music. So try it out for yourself and see you guys.